Hey, this is Buck Bonner with MarineMax Lake Lanier, and I am sitting on a brand new model for the Sylvan line. Sylvan is our tritoon line, sells luxury tritoons here. This is the R-22. This is a brand new model, just launched this year for 2026. So this is a 22-foot boat. This is a 3-tube boat. Also, it is an 8-foot 6-inch wide boat. So tons of space, tons of room for your friends and family. Powered by a Yamaha 150. This is a sporty boat to drive. Plenty of power to do any of the water sports you want to, or get you from A to B if you're running to dinner or just cruising the waterway. First thing I want you to notice is the bow and stern corners are reinforced here with the rotocast molding. It's virtually indestructible. You see all the tritoons on the lake or on the waterways nowadays with bent in corners and things because we all bump something eventually if we're boating long enough, but this is virtually indestructible. You can bang on it, nothing happens to it. It is very, very durable. One positive point about this boat. As we make our way in, we're going to notice all the nice embroidering, all the nice vinyl. We have cup holders, and there's tons of storage on this boat as well. Every single one of these cushions hinges up. You have additional storage up underneath, under every single seat throughout the length of the boat. Even these backrests here are going to flip up. So people always bring their day bags. You invite people on the boat, they bring their gear. You're not going to have it sitting out on the floor. You've got designated storage for everywhere on this boat. We have two nice sun loungers here, or they double as benches. We have cushioned backrests here if someone wants to sit and lounge and put their feet up, propped forward in the sun. As we make our way back up under this sun coverage bimini here, it's a expansive bimini. It provides a lot of sun coverage to the middle portion of the cockpit here, so if people want sun, they can go up and lounge in the bow. If people back here want a little bit of shade, it's set up perfectly. If everyone wants sun, you can easily fold this bimini up and the entire boat can get some sun. Here on the port side, we're going to have a nice companion seat, so it's a dual helm chair boat. They'll have a designated storage location here with this mesh to throw their phones, wallets, any little small trinkets, keys. They also have their designated cup holder as well as a boarding door. So if you pull up to the restaurant and you're side tied, everyone can get on and off the boat easily, level with the dock. Here at the helm, we have a very nicely appointed helm. We've got our rocker switches here for things like our courtesy lighting, our stereo, our docking lights. We also have a Hummingbird GPS/fish finder built into the helm there, so if you find your favorite fishing spot and want to mark a waypoint or something, you'll be able to find it again later when you get the opportunity to get back out there. Again, this is a Yamaha 150. This is a brand new boat, so there's hardly any hours on the boat right now. This boat is rated for 10 people, so again, for a 22-foot boat, plenty of room to bring all your friends or family members. You've got a tilt steering wheel here to make sure you get the right adjustment for different height people here at the helm, or a sliding seat rest to give yourself plenty of room. You also, lastly but not least, you have a designated storage area right there under the helm, so that's another great space to put your gear during the day. As we make our way towards the stern, we're going to have kind of the same layout as we have on the bow. We're going to have duplicated aft-facing stern loungers or benches. You could fit 3 adults here comfortably, or 1 person lounging. So technically this boat has 4 loungers if you want, as well as 2 helm seats. We have a removable dinette table here in the center. This can swivel. This can also, if you wanted to get an additional table base or something, you can move it interchangeably up to the bow and place it wherever you want to, wherever you find that you want to enjoy some snacks or some beverages. As we make our way towards the stern, we're going to notice again the rotocast on the corners. Virtually indestructible. It is extremely nice and durable. This is the extended deck too, so technically for a 22-foot boat, you have the space on the deck for, call it a 23 or almost 24-foot boat. These tunes stop probably about here, and this aft deck extends out a little further, giving you a little bit more real estate. As you can see, we're on the back of this boat, and I have plenty of space to walk around. It's a great spot for the kids, grandkids to jump on and off, or if they're getting on a tube or something like that, to hook up to our ski pylon here. Just lots of room to work with. No one's teeter-tottering on the edge of going in the water when they don't want to. Again, this is the Yamaha 150, so plenty of power to cruise across the lake or do your water sports. Over here on the starboard side, we have our stainless steel ladder. This is a 4-rung telescoping ladder, which extends way down into the water. And you have these big stainless handles, which make it much easier to climb in and out of the boat as well. And then last but not least, I forgot to mention, with all the standard features that come in this boat already at a phenomenal price point. You also have dual batteries and battery switch with a built-in battery charger under the seat here. So that's a nice thing to have, that extra battery when you're out there. If you're running the stereo and things and you think you could be running your battery dead, you're never going to get stranded. But there's tons of things to talk about on this boat. We clearly can't go over them all in this video. You'll have to come to MarineMax Lake Lanier to check it out in person.